Hi, it's the day before New Year's Eve, and you've got loads of honeybees and these lovely flowers. Wildflower meadow. It's nice to see bees. Beautiful. I was just going to collect wood over there in those bushes. But I just thought I'd show you the late December blooms here around our camp. And also how the silver birch are looking at this time of year. They look awesome, you know. Once they've dropped all the leaves, this is why they're called silver birches, because in this winter sunshine, they really are silver. Absolutely beautiful. Really lovely. So we've got a blend of trees that drop the leaves and trees that don't. These bushes here give out beautiful flowers. They're finished though now. They keep the leaves. And of course, in the winter, over in the distance there by our camp, those eucalyptus trees keep their leaves all of the winter. Fantastic. But yeah, beautiful day, and I'm grateful for not being really cold or anything. We've got lots of winter visiting birds that have turned up here. Various types. We've got different wading birds like avocets, spoonbills, lots of herons and egrets, all on the river through there, beyond the silver birch. They come up and down every day fishing, cormorants as well. Amazing stuff. And out here we've got hoopoes, lots of different types of tits. We've got the black redstart that sort of lives with us in our camp. And about 5 or 6 different types of warblers. So nature-wise, everything's sort of beautiful at the moment here, and mighty grateful. So yeah, hope you enjoy the nature. And yeah, Happy New Year, everybody. 2024. Bye.